Hi lovely people, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how we made these delicious instant noodles without frying. I started by boiling some amount of water, and then I went ahead to add a little amount of oil to it, after which I added some powdered pepper. The quantity of water used here should be less because we will not be straining it. I'll be cooking 2 packs of Indomie noodles, and this is the amount of water I'm using. So I went ahead and added the Indomie noodles into the water with the pepper, and then afterwards I'll make sure to turn it to the other side so that both sides can cook evenly. After that, I covered it and allowed it to cook, and this is after 2.5 minutes, and I've come to stir it to make sure that they are separated. After stirring it, I went ahead to add some of the spices from the Indomie noodles. So this is the pepper from the Indomie noodles and the spice. I used 1 pack because I don't want the food to be too spicy. You can add the spice to your taste. Then I'll stir to mix it together, and afterwards I'll go ahead and add in some of the sausages we have. So I'll add the sausage to this, and then I'll cover it and allow it to continue cooking. This is after 5 minutes, and this is how our food looks with the sausages. I will stir this to make sure it's not burning because we do not have much water in this. Then afterwards I'll go ahead and add the vegetables that I have. The vegetables I'm using are carrots, onions, and spring onions. You can go ahead and use any vegetable of your choice. After adding the vegetables, I'll mix everything together, and then I will add the oil from the Indomie noodles to it and allow it to cook for like 2 minutes, and our food is ready. Wow, look what we have here. Our Indomie noodles is ready. So this is very simple to make. You don't need to fry anything. If you have some eggs, you can boil them and put them on the side. If you also prefer to fry it, you can fry and put it on the side. So this is how to make Indomie noodles without frying. If this has been helpful to you, kindly subscribe to this channel. Click the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. And please do not forget to leave a comment down below. See you in our next video. Bye.